Every night at exactly 2:17 a.m., Mrs. Collins's doorbell rang once. No knock, no footsteps, just the chime. Mrs. Collins was 64, recently retired, lived alone in a small townhouse in Arizona. The first night, she ignored it. The second night, she checked the door. Empty porch, empty street. Her door camera showed nothing. On the third night, the doorbell rang again. Her phone vibrated. Doorbell app notification. Visitor recognized. The preview image loaded. It was her hallway. From inside the house, the camera angle was wrong. Too low, as if someone were crouching. Text appeared under the image. Delivery attempted. Her bedroom door creaked. Mrs. Collins whispered, "Hello?" The doorbell rang again. This time, from inside her room, her phone buzzed once more. New notification. Package received the next morning. Her son came by after missed calls. The front door was locked. The house was spotless, except for one thing. The doorbell app showed a final clip, timestamped to 17 a.m. It showed Mrs. Collins standing at the door, smiling, letting someone in who never appeared on camera.